Simply add this to cart. So once you click on the cart, it will take you to the checkout page. And once you are there, it is very simple. Simply fill in your details. Where you see a star that is compulsory, you have to put in there the required figure there, or the required name there. So the reason as well you need your email number and the phone address just to contact you in case of anything. Then your order is already there. It is calculated, there's no tax. Now, if you are paying using mobile money, simply click on mobile money and then write your number there. Don't write the 0, just write the numbers beginning from 7, 7, and so on. If you want to pay using PayPal, then simply click on PayPal and proceed to PayPal. Once you reach PayPal, simply put in your email address or phone number and then the password to your PayPal account, and then it will take you straight. So once you're done with that process, simply click pay and they're taking you to the page already. So once you finish paying, in case you're using the mobile money, if you're paying using mobile, you'll receive a message on your phone indicating the amount that is going to be deducted from your account. So you have to simply put in the PIN, and that is all. In case you have less balance, then you want to receive the message. So that is done. Then you place the order, and then once you're done with the payment, then it will have to take you to the course straight away.